Miso soup. A lot of people that have tasted our miso soup have been like, this is the best miso I've ever had. We have probably 1 liter. We're just gonna heat the dashi up. So this is a white miso. Typically you'll see this more in like a Kyoto style miso soup. You can almost tell if it looks thin or not. I added what I thought was about 3 tablespoons. It's looking good. We're gonna taste it again. A little more, tiny bit more. Also, a big reason why I'm using a flat little dish like this is when you're tasting, similar to wine, you want the aromas to go in your nose. It's kind of a better tasting experience in my opinion. Maybe 1 more tablespoon. Again, with this, you do not want this to ever boil. You don't want it to reduce. When miso boils, it gets this like foam on top that's unpleasant, and it will not go away after that. So same with dashi, we never boil our miso soup. So we have our tofu. We'll just cut that in half. Yeah, we can add that right in. I'm going to use the whole onion and really capture a lot of that onion flavor. Generally, I'll wash these, but since these are really nice local onions, we're gonna get onion breath today. A little bit of the purple part in each, a little bit of the green. So our miso's nice and hot. There's this thing called hondashi. It's a powdered dashi. A lot of restaurants do it. Even really nice restaurants will use it. I can really tell a difference of when you have a good dashi. I don't know if a lot of people can, but I don't want too much tofu, but in a restaurant, I'd probably do 3 or 4 pieces. At home, whatever. There we go. We don't need a spoon for it. Got a little tofu in there. Delicious. A lot of people that have tasted our miso soup have been like, this is the best miso I've ever had. I'm a happy man. Hirame konbu jime.